How to insert a text box in Google Docs. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So inserting a text box is very simple. All you have to do is go to insert, then go to drawing, go to plus new. Then here you will see this icon TT, which is a text box. Simply create a text box, write your text, simply save and close, and now you have got your own text box. You can edit it and add the borders like this. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.